Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important AI tool for literature review writing. So it is like Chat with PDF tool. So it is another version of Chat with PDF tool. So where you can upload your reference paper and you can ask any questions you want. So in order to use this for free, there are certain constraints are there. So let us go on to today's video and explore how it will works out. So and what are the important constraints while using that Chat PDF for free. So and we will upload some papers and we'll check it out how it will generate answer for our research questions. Before that, an important announcement is that we are offering internship program. So this is the internship on MATLAB fundamentals for electrical engineering. It's a 14 days internship program. So at the end of 14 days, you will be getting a certificate regarding this internship program. So if you are interested to know about MATLAB fundamentals and if you are interested in learning MATLAB fundamentals, so you can register for this internship program. So if you find this useful, please share with your friends for this internship programs. Thank you. Moving on to our today's video, the tool what I have told in the introduction is that Chat PDF. So it is a Chat PDF. So you can upload your PDF and you can start asking questions. So free tier, that is PDF up to 2 MB and up to 10 pages. So here you can upload the paper. So I am going to choose a PDF here. So if your PDF is more than 2 MB, so you can compress that PDF less than 2 MB. So thereby you can upload the paper easily. So I am going to upload the paper. So I have compressed the PDF file. So it is scanning. So it will take several seconds and it will process the file and it will upload. So after that the file will be viewed by us. So thereby we can ask any questions we want. So here you can see that your file uploaded successfully. So here this is the title, a new approach for dynamic fuzzy logic parameter tuning in ant colony optimization and its application in fuzzy control of a mobile robot. So here this is the summary is generated. So this is the summary of that particular paper, a new approach for dynamic that is fuzzy logic parameter tuning using 𝐴 and its application in fuzzy control in mobile robot is explored in this study. The ant colony optimization algorithm relies heavily on parameter values and adaptation of these parameters is crucial for optimal performance. A new fuzzy approach for diversity control in ant colony optimization is proposed with the goal of maintaining diversity to prevent premature convergence. The study analysis performance of different ant colony optimization variants and presents encouraging results in solving traveling salesman problem. So this itself it's like a brief summary of that particular paper. So here you can use this as your literature survey itself. So if you want to know more about this particular paper, so you can start a conversation here or try the following examples. So you can ask your own questions you want, or else so you can ask these questions which is the proposed question by this Chat PDF tool itself. So what is the main idea behind the new fuzzy approach for diversity control in ant colony optimization? So you can copy that particular question. So and you can or just click that particular question. So here I have asked the first question. So what is the main idea behind the new fuzzy approach for diversity control in ant colony optimization? So here for that particular question the answer is generated. The main idea behind the new fuzzy approach for diversity control in ant colony optimization is to prevent or slow down full convergence through dynamic variation of a particular parameter. This approach aims to maintain diversity at some level to avoid premature convergence in the algorithm. So like that it is generated a brief paragraph related with that. So after that so if you want a new chat, so just to go on and click on, so and then you can click on restart. So again a new chat tab will be generated. So you can ask another question related with this particular paper. So for example, if you want to ask this question, how does the proposed convergence fuzzy controller work to maintain diversity in the algorithm and avoid premature convergence? So what you can do is so just copy this question alone. So here you can see how does the proposed convergence fuzzy controller work to maintain diversity. in the algorithm and avoid premature convergence. So for that particular question, so the answer is generated. The proposed convergence fuzzy controller works by dynamically adjusting specific parameters of ant colony optimization algorithm to maintain diversity and prevent premature convergence. The controller uses the average lambda branching factor as a feedback to determine the direction and magnitude of the change to the strategy parameter. So like that, it is generated this particular content. So here you can use this kind of questions to make use of analyzing this paper. So for example, if you are taking it as a reference paper, so you can analyze that reference paper by asking this type of questions. So whatever the questions you want, you can ask in this chat, that is tab. So thereby AI will analyze that particular paper and it will answer for you. So you can ask any number of times. So that is very important. So next important thing is that so especially those who are making review paper, so this kind of tool will be very useful for you. So especially when coming to review paper, so you have to analyze the papers very deeply. So in order to analyze that, so you can use this kind of conversation with that paper using AI. So that by AI will analyze very finely and it will give a best output for your review paper writing. So this is how you can use this chat PDF. The only thing is that the PDF you are going to upload must be less than 2 MB and it must have 10 pages. So if it is more than 10 pages, you can split that PDF and you can upload that PDF also and you can analyze. So this is how you can use chat PDF and make your research paper writing, especially literature review writing, very easy and simple. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So go on and explore this chat PDF. So thereby you can get an idea how to approach and how to ask questions with this chat PDF. So don't worry, you can give any prompts and for all the prompts AI will analyze that particular paper and it will answer for you. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.